Hello everyone, welcome again to our d3.js tutorial. In this tutorial, we will start playing with SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. We will draw all our charts, all our graphics in this SVG using d3.js. So let's start exploring SVG. So I have already created a file, lesson3.html. Look, I have SVG tag, starting tag, ending tag. I have set the attribute width 400, attribute height 400. That means in my browser, a canvas or a painting window in which we can paint will be created with width 400 pixel and height 400 pixel. See what we have done. We have drawn a rectangle and a circle. We have drawn a rectangle at width 100 with the attribute width 100, height 100, and we have set the style, that means fill attribute to blue. There are many style attributes. You can browse Google to see what other attributes can help you. You can set stroke width, stroke color of a rectangle, but we are not interested in that right now. We are going to just look how SVG works. So in our browser, within the SVG window, a rectangle should be created with width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, and fill color blue. And we have also drawn a circle. Circle CXCY. It's the center position. CXCY. That means the X position or X point of center and Y position of center. So we are drawing a circle at 200 position, central position in the SVG window with radius 50. R equal to 50 means radius 50. And we are giving the fill color of the circle red. That means a red circle should be shown in the window. So let's go to the browser. Yeah. Okay. We see the rectangle and we see the circle. The rectangle has started from position 0, 0. Its width is 100, height is also 100, and circle's center is at position 200, 200. X position 200, Y position also 200. Nice, isn't it? We have drawn a nice rectangle and nice circle at minimum pane. Okay, fine. So let's play something more. Let's add something like this. X equal 50, Y equal. Let's see what happens. We have, oh nice, the rectangle has now shifted to 50-50. Which point is 50-50? This upper left corner is the 50-50 point. Previously the upper left corner was at 0, 0. So we have shifted our rectangle to new position. So in D3 we will be drawing our everything inside SVG. So before going to draw any chart, anything, you have to first create a SVG object. So let's should I delete? Let's comment out. Okay, no problem. I'm commenting out, and we will do the same thing using D3. From the last lecture, last video, we already have selected body, so we are not going to do this again. Let's get something here. SVG equal to, we are going to append a SVG tag. We are going to append SVG tag to the body. So how can we set the width, height, these properties using APR? Width 400. Okay, so we have created SVG object. Now let's draw the rectangle. SVG dot. So we should now append our rect object to SVG. Okay, and we should set the attributes. Let's say width 100. Anything more? Okay, we have fill color as a style. How can we give it style? We have to use style. Which style we are going to use? Fill. This time for rectangle, let's use yellow, so that you trust that the new rectangle is produced by D3. Okay, just a circle, append, circle. Okay, what attributes should I now give to circle? Obviously a CX 200. CY also 200. We need R, another attribute for radius 50. Let's give style. Fill color. What should we give? Let's put green, so that you trust that this circle is also produced by our D3 code. Now let's check what has happened. This is our previous window. Don't get afraid. Let's refresh. Yeah, something is done that's amazing, isn't it? So we have done the same thing using D3. What's the advantage of using D3? So if we need to draw 100 rectangles, for example, you want to create a bubble cell, you need a lot of circles. So will you write multiple or hundreds or thousands of SVG tags? Is it wise? Not really. So what should you do? We'll show later what should you do, but trust me, only just few lines, 2-3 lines of code can generate thousands of circles for a bubble jar, thousands of rectangles for a bar jar root. Yeah, many other things. We'll see gradually. That's all for this lecture. I hope you have explored SVG. I suggest you to draw other shapes like polygon, line in SVG and see what happens. And I also suggest to play with other attributes like stroke width, other colors, different size, different positions. Play with all these attributes, draw different shapes. Google regarding SVG shapes. You will find how to draw polygon, how to draw path, how to draw a line, these things. And obviously this will help you to be a great visualization developer. Thanks, and I hope you will continue to the next lecture also. Thanks, and advance welcome to lesson 4.